Well Oiled Counselor. Today I want to talk with you about essential oil safety. So, a couple of things that you need to know. Essential oils are generally safe for everyone. You do want to keep them out of the reach of pets and young children. We certainly don't want them getting their paws or their hands on them, especially your cat. You want to keep them away from that. Never keep a cat in an enclosed room with an essential oil diffuser running. Make sure you give them the opportunity to have a way out. They'll know whether or not they like that oil, and they'll keep themselves safe. So that's the great thing about cats. They're pretty good about that. I have a cat. I diffuse all the time. Sometimes I find her wrapped around the diffuser, which is really odd. I don't think she should probably do that, but she's no worse for wear. And there are other times where she absolutely will walk out in disdain because she is not interested in that oil that I'm diffusing. Dogs are another situation. It's a lot easier to use oils with your dogs. Again, you have to be considerate of their size because you don't want to be using too much oil on a little dog. Larger dogs seem to do better with that. However, that being said, there are some things that we do need to be cautious with when we're using our essential oils. Essential oils are concentrated plant extracts, and they can be very, very potent, especially if you're using a quality oil, which I certainly encourage you to do. However, if you are using that oil on your skin or on a small child or on your dog, you definitely want to be using some sort of a carrier oil. What's a carrier oil? Any high quality non-GMO, I would recommend organic oils such as avocado oil, extra virgin olive oil, anything else that you can find. I'm not a huge fan of the grapeseed oil if you're using it on your skin, but certainly coconut oil is great. I love mango butter. That's another thing that you can be using. So some sort of a carrier oil. I tend to line up with my avocado oil. It's easy to source, and you can find good quality avocado oils out there. Again, looking for something high quality because your essential oil should also be high quality. You don't want to be diluting a high quality oil with a not so great carrier oil. So if you're using your essential oil on your skin, generally it's a 1 drop to 1 drop dilution ratio. You certainly can use more carrier oil if you want a less concentrated essential oil, especially again if you're using on a pet or on a smaller child. So that's a good thing to know. Carrier oils, big fan. You don't have to worry about any irritation with your skin. Be sure that you're keeping your essential oils away from sensitive areas in your body. So eyes, ears, any sort of mucous membrane that you have on your body, right? Any place like that, you want to keep that essential oil away from that area. If you happen to get essential oils in the eyes, milk, not water. Water is just going to, remember, water and oil do not mix. Water might actually drive the oil deeper. It could just spread it around and make the irritation go wider. But the fat in milk, hopefully it's a whole milk, that would be great. That's going to really help dilute that essential oil if you happen to get it inadvertently in a sensitive place that you don't want it. So, those are some safety tips for using essential oils. Keep following me and check out more of my videos for great tips with oils. Again, I'm Mrs. Hoovler, the Well Oiled Counselor. Thanks for watching. Bye.